All right, if a Mini Cooper and a Ducati Desert X had a tiny, hyperactive baby, this would be it. Meet the CF Moto Papio XO, the most adorable two-wheeled troublemaker you'll ever see. This 125cc pocket rocket zips through traffic like a mosquito on espresso. And with 6 gears, it shifts more than your neighbor's bad Wi-Fi. Top speed, 90 kilometers per hour. Not bad for a bike with 12-inch wheels, though, potholes might feel like boss battles. The riding position? Sporty, if you're under 5'10". Any taller? And congrats, you just unlocked the folded pretzel mode. And as for passengers, let's just say, only if you really like each other. But let's be real, this bike isn't about practicality, it's about pure, ridiculous fun. It's the motorcycle version of buying a tiny dog just because it's cute. And for 128,000 pesos, a steal. So, if you want a traffic-slicing, smile-inducing, two-wheeled best friend, this is it.